Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic: 9 signs a man wants to marry you. If you're wondering whether your guy is serious about taking your relationship to the next level, then this video is for you. Let's dive in. Number 1. He talks about the future with you. A man who is thinking about marriage often talks about the future, including plans that involve you. Whether it's buying a house together, talking about kids, or even planning vacations months ahead, it's a sign he's thinking long term. Number 2. He introduces you to his family. When a man introduces you to his family, especially his parents, it's a clear sign that you're more than just a casual fling. He wants you to know the important people in his life because he sees you being a part of his future. Number 3. He makes financial plans together. When a man starts discussing finances, savings, or investments with you, it's a sign that he sees you in his future. Men typically associate financial stability with marriage, and if he's making plans for you both, he's likely thinking about a lifetime commitment. Number 4. He's consistent and reliable. Men who are serious about marriage show their love through actions, not just words. He's consistent in his behavior, shows up when you need him, and is reliable. This shows that he's someone you can count on for the long haul. Number 5. He asks for your opinion on important decisions. If he values your opinion and seeks your input on important life decisions, such as career choices or personal matters, it's a sign he respects you and sees you as a partner in his life. Number 6. He prioritizes you. A man who wants to marry you will make you a priority in his life. He puts your needs first and always considers how his actions affect you. You'll notice that your happiness becomes one of his top concerns. Number 7. He's interested in your life and family. If your man takes the time to get to know your family and becomes genuinely interested in their well-being, it's a strong sign he's planning on marrying you. A man who wants a future with you will want to build relationships with those who are important to you. Number 8. He talks about us instead of me. When a man starts to use us instead of me when talking about the future, it's a sign he's envisioning a life together. He doesn't see himself as an individual anymore but as part of a team, and that's you and him together. Number 9. He's committed to resolving conflicts. All relationships face challenges, but if your guy is committed to working through issues instead of avoiding them, it shows that he's in it for the long haul. He sees conflict resolution as a necessary part of building a lasting relationship. Conclusion. So, there you have it: 9 signs a man wants to marry you. If your guy shows these signs, he's probably thinking about taking that big step soon. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more relationship advice and tips. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.